Welcome to our tutorial on the Pocket command. I'm going to select the Pocket command from the Sketch-based Features toolbar. The Pocket definition dialog window opens. As you can see here, the parameters are similar to those of the Pad tool. Limit type, dimension, up to next, up to last. The depth field, here I'll enter a value of 1 inch. Hit the Tab key. With the selection field highlighted, I'll select this sketch. Click the Preview button. As you can see, we now have a preview of the Pocket. The dimensional constraints are now visible. I can double-click to get the dialog box and change those values. Let's say 3 inches. As you can see, the Pocket has retreated to 3 inches. Click Preview. The reverse side option allows you to remove material in or outside the profile. This arrow has the same effect. If I click Preview now, we see that our Pocket has become a pad. Preview it again. The thin pocket area allows us to remove the area around the profile. In thickness 1, I'll enter 1/4 inch, hit the Tab key, and the same for thickness 2. Hit the Tab key and the Preview button. What you see now is that CATIA has removed material from both sides of the profile. Click OK, and this concludes our tutorial on the Pocket command.